Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two very quick and very easy DIYs for you for Easter, and I will start with the easiest one. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. You probably know already if you follow me. If not, you know now. We found what we call treasures in the dumpsters, and by the way, our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to link it in the description box. If you want to pay a visit and have a lot of fun seeing us searching inside the dumpsters and finding beautiful things, just pay a visit. We found the other day at Michael's these three frames. They didn't have the glass, the backing, anything. So they were black, completely black. So I'm going to use them for something for Easter. I dry brush them in white, which gives them like, I think it's like a metallic effect, something like that. I love how they look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate them with these pieces of paper that I had already around. They were cards, and I'm going to add them to the frames. I've already glued this one. I glued the paper and I cut out two pieces of cardstock, or yes, cardstock, it's not cardboard, for each frame, because otherwise the paper is too thin and doesn't stay in place. So I'm going to place the squares in the frames. Okay, now that the three of them are in place, I'm going to decorate the center with these letters. I'm going to use the P here, the H here, and for the O I have these stickers, so I took one of these and placed, they are self-adhesive, I place it on top of one of these and I make this one. So I'm going to use this one as the O. Like so. Now I'm going to glue the other letters. To form the word hope, like a hopping banner, a bunny. No banner, bunny. Now they are self-adhesive, but the adhesive is not really good, so that's why I'm using hot glue to glue them. Okay, now we have the word hope ready, and I'm going to add one last piece of the core, which are these cute ribbons. So I think this has to go here, the yellow here, and the kind of green here. Let me change, no. Okay, let's do this. And we are almost done with this decor. There's only one little thing that I'm going to add, because I want these frames to be standing. So I've already glued these tumbling tower pieces from Dollar Tree. I glued 2 of them together for each frame. I added E6000 and a little bit of hot glue in the center, and I'm going to add them to the back of the frames so they can stand on themselves, or by themselves, sorry. So this is the last thing I'm going to do. Let me try to see if it's what it has to be. Well, it doesn't want to get standing. Maybe if I place them this way, it will work better. So let's try. Yes, that's better. So that's the way to go. Let's do the same with this one. Okay. They have some glue because I used them for another project. I hope this will be no problem for this one. No, it's working. And the last one. Very quickly. It's just a matter of cutting and gluing. So here we have the 3 frames that I will show you later at the end of the video from the front, as I always do. So this is my first DIY. Let's move on to the second one. I had this box, and I started already gluing this buffalo check ribbon all around, because my house is decorated farmhouse style, so as much as possible I do my creations in that style. And you know, buffalo check is kind of a must when you're doing farmhouse style pieces of decor. And I love buffalo check, and I use it as much as possible. So now I'm going to finish this. I'm going to fold this. Let me cut a little bit because it's too long. And I'm going to fold this so it has a better finish. And I'm going to glue it right now, very easily. Now, what I'm going to do with this box is I'm going to place a lot of this raffia from Dollar Tree in the bottom. A little bit messy, but the look, the final look is great. and I love it. What else I'm going to do? Well, I'm going to add eggs. Of course, not real eggs. I love them. They really look real. So I really love them. And the last thing I'm going to add to this DIY, to this box. First I'm going to add these Jenga pieces to this border, to the back side of the box, and you will see why in a moment. One here, and the other one in the other extreme, the other almost corner. And the last detail, again we found in the dumpster a lot, well, not a lot, but like 4 or 5 of these half circles in galvanized metal. They are very heavy, and so I transferred the words farm fresh eggs and 25 cents. In fact, 25 cents. I did it by hand. And let me tell you, liquid shoe polish is what gives this rusted look. So if you need to give some piece of galvanized metal, paper, whatever it is, a rusted look, just use this, and you can see how it gives the look. And when it dries, it looks really better, much better. It looks like this. It's a very inexpensive and quick way to give this kind of pieces a rusted, old, aged look. And now we're going to finish this by adding this sign on the back of the box. I'm going to use E6000, here it is, and also hot glue. So here we have some E6000 here, and I'm going to cover it, otherwise it spills everywhere. And I'm going to add hot glue, and that's why I place the Jenga pieces here, because it allows me to place the sign perfectly where I want it. And I'm going to add some hot glue here also. And we are almost done. This is really quick, really easy. About the eggs, I bought them on eBay, I think. I bought them like 2 or 3 years ago, so I really don't remember, but I think it was on eBay. I was not using Amazon at that time, so they are probably from eBay. But I think that Amazon must carry them either. Also, not either, also. So here you have the finished box with the eggs for this DIY. And here you have them. Very quick, very easy, and I think very cute DIYs. They are for a challenge. I'm participating in the Sticky Tuesday challenge, hosted by the sweet playlist at Decor and the very funny and a big lady Kiki at Kiki DIYs. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box. Please visit them. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Hope you like this video and will give me a thumbs up, and consider subscribing if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.